Every year, millions of people celebrate one of the most colorful and spiritual festivals in the world, Durga Puja. But wait, is it just a festival? Or is there a deeper meaning hidden inside every ritual, every idol, and every prayer? Let's uncover the extraordinary story behind Durga Puja. I am Mr. Kazi, and this is Mr. Kazi Presents. Let's get started. The story of Durga Puja begins thousands of years ago in Indian mythology. The demon king Mahishasura had become so powerful that even the gods could not defeat him. He was granted a boon that no man or god could kill him. Full of arrogance, he began to destroy the heavens and the earth. But then, the supreme power of the universe created a goddess, Ma Durga. She was born with 10 arms, each carrying a divine weapon. Riding a lion, she fought Mahishasura for 9 long nights, and on the 10th day, she killed him. This day became known as Vijaya Dashami, the victory of good over evil. Durga Puja is not just a festival, it is a reminder that no matter how powerful darkness becomes, light will always win. How Durga Puja began in Bengal. History tells us that Durga Puja as a community festival started in Bengal around the 16th century. Back then, it was celebrated privately by rich landlords, zamindars. They invited the whole village, arranged music, drama, and of course, grand rituals for Goddess Durga. By the 18th and 19th centuries, Durga Puja became more than religion. It became a cultural movement. Artists, poets, and musicians made the puja pandals a stage for creativity. When India was fighting for freedom, Durga Puja also became a symbol of unity and identity for the Bengali people. Durga Puja is not just 4 to 5 days of celebration. It is a journey that begins with Mahalaya, the invocation of the goddess. Early in the morning, people listen to the legendary chant Mahishasura Mardini. It feels like the call of the divine itself. Then come the main 5 days, Shashti, welcoming Ma Durga into our homes and hearts. Saptami, the day when the rituals begin with Navapatrika Snan, the bathing of 9 plants symbolizing the goddess. Ashtami, the most powerful day. Devotees perform Anjali in the sacred Sandhi Puja. Navami, worship continues with prayers and offerings. Dashami, with heavy hearts, devotees bid farewell to Ma Durga through Visarjan, immersion of the idol in water. This symbolizes life itself. Every beginning has an end, but every end brings a new beginning. Durga Puja is often called the greatest open-air art exhibition in the world. Every year, artists spend months creating stunning pandals. Some look like palaces, some like world monuments, and some even futuristic designs. Inside, the idols of Durga are masterpieces. From traditional clay idols to modern artistic experiments, every sculpture tells a story. It's also about food, from street stalls serving fuchka and chaat to families cooking special Bengali dishes. And of course, the music, theater, and dance. Puja is a festival where religion, culture, and entertainment merge into one. Durga Puja is not limited to Hindus. In Bengal, Bangladesh, and even worldwide, people of all religions join in. It's a festival of unity. For 5 days, rich and poor, young and old, everyone becomes one big family. Economically, Durga Puja generates billions. From artisans who build idols, electricians who light up pandals, small shopkeepers, food vendors, everyone gets work. It is proof that festivals are not just about faith, they also bring prosperity and happiness. The lesson behind Durga Puja. At its heart, Durga Puja is more than tradition. It is a story of courage, resilience, and hope. It teaches us, no matter how big the problems in life are, with faith and unity, we can overcome them. Ma Durga is not just a goddess, she is a symbol of inner strength. Every person, no matter how weak they feel, has the power to fight their inner demons and rise victorious. At present day and global reach. Today, Durga Puja is not just limited to Bengal or India. From New York to London, from Dhaka to Singapore, Durga Puja is celebrated by the global diaspora. In fact, UNESCO recently recognized Kolkata's Durga Puja as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. This shows that Durga Puja is not just a regional festival, it's a global celebration of culture, faith, and humanity. So friends, this was the story of Durga Puja, the festival that celebrates the victory of good over evil, the power of unity, and the beauty of culture. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Kazi Presents. Tell me in the comments, which festival or history should I cover next? I'm Mr. Kazi, and I will return with more inspiring stories. Stay connected, stay inspired, and remember, light always wins over darkness.